the practical on transistor characteristic. So aim of the experiment is to draw the input and output characteristic of a given NPN transistor in common emitter configuration, and hence to determine input resistance and the current gain. So now let us see the transistor. So you can see the transistor. So transistor is a 3-terminal device having emitter, base and collector. You can see a metal marking is there. Terminal near to that one is called as emitter. So metal marking emitter, other one is base, last one is a collector, and this is a clipboard. We have already soldered a resistor also in this clipboard, and all the wires etc. are soldered to make the connection bit easier. Okay. So now let us see the circuit connection. So it consisting of a transistor, emitter, base and collector. So you can see from the battery positive, one wire is given connection to a resistor, from other end of the resistor to the positive side of the micrometer, and from the negative side of the micrometer it goes to base. From the base, two wires are connected. So one wire give connection to the negative side of the micrometer, another wire to the positive side of the voltmeter. So from the collector also we soldered two wires. One wire goes to the positive side of the voltmeter and another one goes to the negative side of the millimeter. Last one from the battery millimeter positive give connection to battery positive. Okay. So it has two sources here, one is VBB and VCC, and all the negatives from VBB negative, VBE negative, emitter and VC negative and VCC negative should be given connection to a single point. Okay. So now let us see the connection how we have given. So this is the battery positive, this is there two supply, this is VBB and this you can take it as VCC. Okay. So from VBB positive, so you can see here it is given connection to one end of the resistor, from other end of the resistor it is given connection to positive side of the micrometer, from the negative side of the micrometer it is given connection to the base. So the base is having two connections, we have connected two wires, older two wires. So one connection goes to negative side of the micrometer, another connection of the base goes to positive side of the voltmeter. Okay. So similarly collector, we soldered two wires for the collector, one wire goes to the negative side of the millimeter, another wire goes to the positive side of the voltmeter, only this small connection. Then afterwards let us take the negative side of the VBB and negative side of the VCC, negative side of the voltmeter and negative side of this voltmeter, everything is given connection to a single point. So like this, and for that we have connected an emitter. So here is emitter wire, we have connected emitter at this point. So for this point negative side of the voltmeter, negative side of the VCC, negative side of the VBB and two voltmeter negatives will join. So we will get here 5 wires at that point. So now let us start doing the experiment. So initially, so VCE is set as 1 volt. So this is VCE, that is for input characteristic. So let us do it for input characteristic. So for input characteristic we have to set VCE equal to 1 volt. So this is VCE. So using so like this VCE. So using this one VCC. So like this, set here 1 volt. So you can set here 1 volt. Using VCC you have to set 1 volt. Like this, set as 1 volt. Okay. Once you set as 1 volt, don't touch this one. This is now set for 1 volt. Now VBB. Now let us take VBB, keep it as 0. So using this one, you set VBE 0. So like this 0. So almost now it becomes 0. So when it is 0, record the value of the micrometer. My micrometer is also showing as a 0 reading. So afterward, set VB is equal to 0.1. So here, so set this one as 0.1. So set it as 0.1. 0.1. Write down the value of micrometer, it comes to be 0. Similarly, after that, rotate and set it here 0.2. So like this 0.2, set it as 0.2 and micrometer reading is again 0. Then let us keep it at 0.3, keep it at 0.3. So 0.3. So 0.3. Now we can see that the micrometer reading